welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do mandal or mandala art without using any dotting tools. I'll show you guys how to do it step by step, so even if you're a beginner, you can easily follow and do it. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, I have got all the things that I need. Like I said, for this mandala art, you don't need any dotting tools. So for that, I got few items that I already have at home. So basically, you can use like markers like this. They come with a round base, which you can use for like larger dots. For the medium dots, basically you can use like a new pencil. You can use both the ends of the new pencil, or you can take the brush and you can use the other end of it. Or if you have like any other smaller round shapes, you can also like take that. For the thinner dots, they are good options. You can either use an earbud or you can use the tip of the pencil, like this side of the pencil. For even thinner dots, you could use a hairpin, or this I have like a eyeliner brush that I have, so I'm just gonna use that one as well. And other than that, you need a black canvas or a paper. I have this white canvas which I have painted black. I'm gonna apply another coat of black in a bit. Without any delay, let's start painting. Now I'm gonna take the black acrylic paint and apply a coat of it on the canvas. All I'm doing is just applying the black paint all over the canvas. But if you take the black paper, it's even simpler. You don't have to paint it. There are also like black canvases available. You can also pick that. Also make sure you apply the paint onto the sides of the canvas. That way, like when you hang it, it doesn't look all white color. Okay, I have painted the canvas black and also let it dry completely. Now we're going to take a scale and a pencil and then try to mark the center of it. To find the center, place the scale like this and draw a line. And now place the scale on the other end, exactly at the center of both the sides, and then draw another line. This way you will know the center and mark it. Now you can erase or just leave the rest of the marks. You can skip this step if you just want to start painting, but if you are a beginner, it's good to like draw the lines first. It'll make it much easier. I'm drawing the outer side of the circle. Okay, once you have drawn the circle, take the scale again and then just draw one line from one side of the circle to the other side. Now take the protractor. If you have the 361, that's even better. But if you have like 180 degrees one like me, you can also use that. So place the protractor center at the center of the circle and then start marking dots at every 30 degrees or every 20 degrees. I'm just doing every 20 degrees. So I do one at 160, 140, 120, 100, and I'll keep going. Once you have marked this side, now we'll do the same exact thing on the other side. So I'm again like placing the protractor at the center of the circle and now again marking at every 20 degrees. Once you have marked everything, it'll look like this. And now take a scale, connect the first dot here to the first dot here. So basically take the scale again and make sure that you're touching both the dots and draw the line from end to end. See, like this. And now take the second dot this side and take the second dot the other side and again draw the line and keep going. I have drawn the lines. It's looking good. Now take your compass again and just draw some circles, so that will act as a guideline when you're drawing the dots. Now I'm gonna keep drawing bigger circles. Okay, I have finished drawing all the lines and the circles. It's looking good now. Now let's move on to the paint step. I have taken the acrylic colors that I already have, but you can choose whatever colors that you want. Now for this art, basically like you need a little bit of paint. So for all of them, I'm just pouring some paint into the cap. Now I'm taking the biggest paint marker that I have and just dipping it in the color. Once you have taken the color on the marker, now just apply it here. That looks good. Now I'm taking the thinner eyeliner brush that I have. You could also like take the slide pen. Now I'm just gonna put the dots all around this circle. Make sure you dip the tip in the paint multiple times so that all the dots will come evenly. Now I'm taking some blue color and applying the paint to the Q-tip and applying the dots. Now I'm taking the eraser side of it and dipping that into the paint and will apply that. Keep dipping the pencil in the paint and keep applying. I'm not really following the lines, but you can also like follow the lines. I'll say it again, always make sure like you dip the pen or q-tip, whichever you're using, into the paint first and then apply. Now using this hairpin, I'm again like dipping it into the paint and applying smaller dots. Now keep doing it for all the circles. So the technique for this is first dip the pen and then put the dot at the center, and now without taking any extra paint, just keep applying smaller and smaller dots. Now again take the paint and just do the same on the other side. So that way the dots get smaller. Especially like if you want to try out new art, you don't want to buy all the tools at the beginning, right? So that's why like I want to do this video, as you don't need any of the dotting tools to start. And if you like it and if you want to improve at that point, if you want to keep doing, then it's worth investing in the tools. If you're interested, like I'll also link the tools that I use in the description box. Do check it out. I use acrylic paints a lot for painting on different surfaces and everything, like painting on glass bottles that I have, which instead of like throwing them out, I like to like convert them into like vases. I've done many videos like that. If you're interested, check it out. I'm not an expert at mandala art. I just love that it's so soothing and it's a nice thing that you could do when you're bored. And also like it's super easy. You don't have to be very perfect at this. And in the end, it'll all turn out really, really well. Even if you are a beginner, trust me, you can also do this and it's very easy to do. Another trick for getting the smaller circle is that you just have to apply lighter and lighter pressure on the pen. So when I'm doing bigger dots, I apply a little bit of pressure, but when I'm doing smaller dots, I just do it very gently. Now I'm just doing the same thing using a little bit bigger dots and a crayon pencil. Also, if you mess up like me, you can also like apply a black paint and then again do whatever design that you want to do. Also like be very careful when you are like applying the paint. See where you're putting the hand, otherwise you'll mess up like me. If you did make a mistake, try like removing the paint using a wet cloth. Sometimes it just works. You don't need canvas to do this art. You can do this art on empty glass bottle or waste glass bottles that you have in your house, or you can do it on cups. You don't have to do a full circle. You can also do like a half circle. So there are a lot of things that you can do. This is just one way of doing it. If you are interested, I have also done painting on t-shirt. It's just basically a simple beginner painting which anybody can do. I'll link them in the description box down below. Check them out if you're interested. This is also like my second or third time doing this art, but I want to do this video to show you guys that it's not that hard to do it, and if you like the process, you will enjoy it so much like me. And it's very easy to make, like you can see. This is mostly done. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of dots here and there just to make it look a little more full. Now on the blue dots, I'm applying yellow dots. Now I'm taking blue color and applying it on purple. This is how it has turned out. I think it turned out really nice and colorful. I especially like the color combination and the detailing part. And once this is completely dried up, apply a coat of varnish to it so that it protects the paint and also gives it a nice glossy look. I have done a lot of acrylic paintings, but I haven't done a lot of mandala art. But when I tried it first time without any dotting tools, I found it so easy and so fun to do. So that's why I wanted to do this video, so that I can show you guys you can do this simple mandala art very easily without using or without buying any dotting tools first. And let me know in the comment section below, how do you guys like it? And that's all I got for this video, guys. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. And also I post new content every week, and every week I try to be something different. And I posted a lot of videos on DIYs, or trash to treasure, or making a room transformation, or like painting on t-shirts, or Diwali decor ideas. I've done so many types of videos, also done videos on skincare, makeup. So if you like any of those videos, or if you're interested on those topics, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any updates from us. And I'll see you guys next week with another exciting video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and bye-bye, and believe in yourself.